A very good afternoon to Puan and my fellow friends. And this is the proper base task. Here's the introduction. So we are three members as a group. So myself introduction. My name is Darvinesh Varmen. My matric number is 01DDT20F 2036. And other member is Sarvesh Ram. His matric number is 01DDT20F 2033. And one more is a Suresh 01DDT20F 2004. And this is our project description. Okay, as we are a software development team builds a system which is called a Naya restaurant at KL. In this fast food restaurant are set as a very high standard food quality and ensure that our welcoming guests receive the same quality standard in every meal, like the such a food and drinks like a chicken burger, fried chicken, alo pizza, teh, pillow, and many items of this restaurant. But in this case, where customer can dine in or take away from our restaurant, and we are also providing delivery for the home like Food Panda, Grab Food, and other else. So for the build this system, we use the class, input, output, variables, exception handling, inheritance, and the themes. And so we're going to see the code for the Java for the PBT. And next, we're going to show our program code. Okay, first we create the package. The package name is PBT. Okay, second we create the import Java util for help the classes involved for the Java. Next we create the class. So class for the login, and we add the public user for the username, password, and loop. So username, password, loop we use for the variable is a string. So it can help the support for the username, password. And so integer, I create a count is a 0. Next scanner. Okay, scanner, as usual we put a new scanner for the system in, and we add the username and password actual. So I create this username and password, and also system out, and create the lines for the title. And thirdly, we create a name. So welcome to the restaurant. Please log in, continue. Okay. Then after that, we gonna ask for the login. So we add your email address. Okay. Next, you see the input 3. Okay, as a register. So register is like for login, and we add a string. So system out, we put a message like this is your username, password, and do not share this with others, because the username password consists for the personal thing. So that's why we put advancedly, and we create this for the actual username password for this. And for the input one, okay, so we put a system out is a username string username 2. Another one input 2 for the password, and we do the if else if. Okay, so if else if, okay, let's say if we put a username and the password are same, so the automatically we show the login successful. Alright, so or else if you put a username equal to user, the considered is wrong password because you type the wrong password, but in message we show the wrong password. Alright, so we add else if else. Okay, else means if you didn't put a password or username, so they will show the invalid username password, try again. Alright, so after that we put a if for the count. So count like okay, if you, let's say normally you enter the wrong username or password for 3 times, so they will give a timer for the relieve the password. So we just add this message, and we also add doing the try catch. So try catch like waiting for the second. Okay, so every second we put exception like 9 second, 8 until 1 second.
Hello, my name is Suresh. I'm Anarathi Nagarajan and I'm from class CDTV4. My matrix number is 01DDT20F2033, and I'm here to continue explaining about the rest of the code program after my teammate Darvinesh Varmen has explained. So I'm going to continue on with the system.out.println system output, asking whether do you want to try again. So yes equals to y and no equals to n. So and with the scanner, with the help of scanner, we put loop equals to sc.next, and then we on that we use a switch case loop, put loop in brackets, and then case y, capital Y or lower y. Then we have a user in brackets semicolon, then break, to break the loop. If it's y, and if it's not y, then it continues on. So case n, capital N or lower letter n. Then we have the system output. Thank you for visiting Daya restaurant, and then system exit. Then we have a break again. Then after that, moving on, we go to the subclass menu that extends to login uh, with the public static scanner input equals to new scanner system.in, and then public static string item payment and confirm to define those variables and stuff. Public static int select comma quantity equals to 1, then public static double total equals to 0 burger comma fried chicken comma roasted chicken comma pizza comma pasta comma salad and comma soy food. Those are the options of the food on the menu. And then we have public static double, which has teh, Milo, kopi, carrot susu, apple, Neslo, barley, which are the drinks option on the menu. And then we have public static double delivery and total price, which is which initiates the total price and the delivery. Then we move on to public void display menu, which shows the system output for the menu once you uh, click yes or no. So we have welcome to Daya restaurant. Then we have select your food, number, menu, price to organize what's in the category, and then we have the food menu from 1 to 7 with chicken burger, fried chicken set, roasted chicken set, and so on, and with the prices on the side like 7 ringgit, 15 ringgit, and 14 ringgit, and so on. Then moving on, even below, we have select your drinks with the same arrangement as the top output. That's the food output. We have the drinks like teh, Milo, kopi, carrot susu, and so on, with the prices next to it. And then we have at the end saying thank you. Then moving on, we have a public void my order, which shows a system output println. Please order your food/drink by choosing the item number only. So if you want to choose any of the drinks from the menu, you type in the number instead of the name of it. So like, and here we have select equals to input.next int integer. Then we have the if statement. If select equals to 1, then we have output chicken burger is selected, and then it'll ask what's the quantity you want, and then just put in the quantity. So quantity equals to input.next int, burger equals to quantity times 7. So times 7, our chicken burger is 7 ringgit, so it times 7 with that, and you get the total equals to total plus burger. Then the second if option is select equals to 2. The output is fried chicken selected, quantity is whatever quantity you put in, and then quantity equals to input the next integer. Fried chicken equals to quantity times 15 ringgit, then the total equals to total plus fried chicken. And then we have the same thing applied for the rest of the foods for the food menu. Like number 3, we have roasted chicken set is selected, then the quantity, then roasted chicken is quantity times 14, and then the total plus roasted chicken, fried chicken earlier. Now we have roasted chicken. Then we have the number 4, aloha pizza is selected, then the quantity, then the price that it's supposed to multiply with, and then the total plus pizza. Then we have number 5, which is a sausage pasta selected. If you put in the quantity and then you should have period, then it times the quantity with 8, and then the total plus pasta, and you you get your total price. And then we have salad is selected, the output. Then we have mixed seafood as a seventh on the menu, and then tea is on eighth, ninth is Milo, the 10th is coffee, and 11 carrot susu, 12 apple juice, 13 Neslo, and 14 barley. And if select 14, uh, if you type in the number that's not there, it shows item not found. Please try again. And then moving on, we have the system output. Type confirm to place your order. So and then type update to update your order. Then type cancel to cancel your order. So if you type confirm, it places your order. Then you type update, you update your order. And then if you type cancel, it cancels your order. So if item dot equals is ignore case confirm. Support dine in or delivery. Choose between dining in at the restaurant or delivery, and then system out print. Press A for dine in and B for delivery. So you can choose either press A, you get to dine in, if you're dining in, and B for delivery if you want to take away, or I mean, if you want it to be delivered to you. Then confirm equals to input on next, and yeah, that until there is where I explain my part of the coding. Next, I'll pass it on to Suresh. He will be explaining the rest of the program and the output as well. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Very good day everyone, my name is Suresh son of Sokalingam and my metric number is 01DDT20F2004. So I'll be explaining from line 335, which is a switch case. We created a switch case for the earlier question. Press A for dine in, press B for delivery. So here we created a case, capital letter A and lowercase. So if the user want to put capital or lowercase, they can put both actually. So if you put A, the output will show you've selected dine-in option, and it will show the total price and some messages. So for the second case, case B, same as case A, capital letter and small letter. So if the user select B, the output will show you have selected delivery option. You will be charged 10% for the delivery fee, and it will show the delivery fee, and it will show the payment method that we selected. Now here the payment method we selected, and finally display the bill. The bill will be shown. In the bill including the total price, payment method and some comments. And then I created if else for the okay. So before this I created a confirm for confirm. Now if else for update. Ignore equals ignore case. That means the update can be combined with uppercase and lowercase. If the user type update, it will go back to my order method. If the user type cancel, it will go back. It will end the system. And here we created the main method, and we created two objects. First object is the login. Second object is the menu, and we display object 1 dot user, object 2 display menu, and object 2 dot my order. So I'll be explaining the output now. So here we have a message, welcome to Daya restaurant, please log in to continue. Here we have please enter your email, an example. So let's type admin 123. Okay, here we have the username and the password. So username, the password is 1234567. Okay, after the login is successful, it will show the message login successful and welcome to Daya restaurant, and the menu will pop up. Here we have select your food. We have a menu for foods, and down there we have select your drinks. We have menu for all the drinks. So the system will ask, please order your food and drinks by choosing the item number only. So let's say I want fried chicken set. The number is 2. So we type 2. The quantity, let's say I want 2. So if you want to confirm the order, you can just type in confirm. Let's say you want to add something more to your cart, you can press up, you can type update. So I want to update, and I want to buy a drink. I want to buy apple juice 12. The number is 12. Here we have the message apple juice is selected, and the quantity, for the quantity I'm going to choose 2 again. So now I'm going to confirm the order. Let's do it in capital letters. Confirm. After it's done, the system will ask dine in or delivery. So press A for dine in and B for delivery. So I'm going to choose B for delivery. Here we have the message. You have selected the delivery option. You will be charged 10% as for the delivery fee. So the delivery fee is 44 ringgit. So we can press the payment method. Select your payment method. Let's say I want to pay in online payment. So number 2, enter. So here we have the bill. The total is 44. Payment method 2, which is online payment, and some messages. Now let's run the program and see the error. Okay, let's try the wrong username. Let's say I type in the wrong username and the correct password. So it will show wrong username, try again. So we're gonna put a correct username and wrong password. So here I have the message wrong password, try again. So let's try both wrong, both username and password wrong. Here we have invalid username and password, try again. Here we have you have entered wrong username or password 3 times. Please wait 10 seconds to log into the system again. So here, as you can see, we waited for 10 seconds. We can press Y or N. Y is for yes and N is for no if you want to continue to the system. Let's say I want to continue. Y. So we can log in again. So we're gonna use the correct username and password this time. So I'm gonna select something, let's say chicken burger, quantity 1, and let's say I want to cancel the order. So I'm gonna type cancel. As you can see, the program, the system shows the message, thank you for visiting our restaurant. So we're gonna try again with our dine-in option. username. So let's say I'm gonna select number 4. Here we have the message, Aloha's pizza is selected. Quantity, let's say 2. I wanna add a drink. Maybe carrot susu. Carrot susu is selected. So the quantity is, let's say 4. And confirm. So we're gonna press A for dine in. So as you can see, you have selected dine in option. Here's the bill. Your total is RM50. Please pay at the counter. And you have the message here. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you very much. So for conclusion, to sum up this problem-based task, we use 3 classes, 3 methods, 1 main method, if and if-else statement, and also switch cases. So we use 2 switch case to build this program. Basically, this program is online food ordering system. To explain in a simple way, this system requires users to log in using their email. Then the system will pop up the username and password to so the users have to insert the username and password that the system given for the menu to pop up. Then user can select the food they prefer by choosing the item numbers. Finally, users can choose dine in or delivery option. 10% will be charged if the delivery option is selected. Our system is simple, easy to use, and easy to understand.